guys, we're doing our first ever competitive game. First ever. We don't have our competitive teams on right now, so it's just going to be me and my friend. Yes, this is a 90-minute game, 2 hours, guys. I'm going to be... Hold on.
You're going to record a video for 2 hours?
No, it's an hour and 30 minutes, guys. Okay, Zach, accept it.
I did.
Okay, here we are.
Are you going to record or should... Oh, I wish I would have set up the live streaming thing. Maybe it's like a live stream.
Go do it. Go live stream.
I don't have anything to live stream.
I'll try to live stream on my Twitch. There, I'm live streaming on Twitch.
Let's roll.
Okay.
There, okay. Okay, it's not getting off. It's not my... Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm going to sit in my game professionally. I'm going to turn the air off here. And I'm going to sit down, take a drink of my gaming juice.
Let's get ready, boys. How come this guy has a yellow thing?
Oh, I'll take that. That guy has it on.
Why does that guy have a yellow?
Don't shoot people. Don't shoot people in the game. If you do, you can actually hurt them. If you hurt them, they'll get really mad at you. And if you kill enough people, you'll get kicked out. So remember, this game, competitive games are really serious, by the way.
Oh my god, he keeps freaking shooting me.
Oh, dude, did you see that thing? Look at the chat. I jumped up and I shot a guy through the wall with a headshot.
I've just been sitting here. Oh, camping.
Okay, I feel like a little cheat bag right now. I felt like a little cheat bag. I'm happy that guy killed me.
That was a warm-up?
Yes, bruh. You know how many games there are in this?
Frick, should I buy anything?
I'm buying my Deagle. My StatTrak Deagle.
Kitten.
I'm just gonna... Wait, you don't come with your Deagle? Mine comes with my Oceanic. It goes down in the DMs. Take them all down, boys. Dude, see how many kills?
The whole team!
Was that nice?
I did?
Oh my. Oh, okay, never mind.
That was me?
Dude, you almost killed
Kitten. It was all me. It was all me. I baited it. You're welcome.
No, you weren't. Shut the fuck up. That was all me, bro. Stop talking.
Let's have a good one out there, boys.
We're wasting time. Let's go.
Dude, that was with a pistol, bro. Wait, which way did you go? I'm right behind you, bro. Dude, I can't believe I took almost all of them out. That was freaking insane.
I threw cat over them.
I just went into a tunnel and I saw them all there.
Okay. I'm pretty sure they're not going cat. Not
They
anymore.
ain't
Not
going to
anymore.
me.
I'll tell you that much. 3
Last time
headshots
they
usually
did
gets the
me,
point
you
across.
murdered them all, Zach.
That guy said it was all him. That's not all him.
You want
Dude, I
the
wish
gun?
I
Zach
would've...
get the point across.
Press
Yeah,
G.
Sure.
definitely does.
Okay. Oh, here, Zach. Press G with your... No, they're the same. Grab this, Zach.
I don't want it. I like my Oceanic. Dude, I can't believe that guy said that was all him. That was none of him. I freaking wish I got that on recording. I took out like the whole freaking team.
Me being a pro.
That guy just died. Someone just had a taser.
Over here, dude. Right here. Go and B.
Dude, they're protecting B. Fuck. I'm spectating you.
Is there any in this hallway, Zach?
Can't tell.
There was. I just shot him.
You the only one left?
Oh God! Shot through the wall. He shot me with your gun.
Really?
Yes.
Dude, this is the kind of games and tournaments they play.
Yeah, this is. How'd you know?
Because when I was watching the Twitch live stream of the tournaments, this is what they were playing on. Oh my God, why is this guy not using the op? He's using his
Oh, dude, you just got a pistol kill. Did you see that crap?
Should I use an op?
Yeah, dude, ops are like, the ops are.
They're going big.
He's gonna die. Oh my God.
Fine.
No. No.
Dildo faggins?
I'm not gonna,
Kick
I'm
him.
not gonna
He's
say
bad.
anything because if you say something, you always get kicked.
Oh, I'm gonna buy. I bought a flash and a smoke.
I have an op.
Same. I'm right behind you, bro. Why'd you already throw them all? Should I throw a flash?
Throw a flash right here. Don't throw it there. Throw it in here. Throw it in this tunnel. Zach.
Woman's down in tunnels, folks.
Tunnel.
Come on in.
Throw the flash.
I don't
in the
trust.
tunnel. Flash. Don't pull me. Throw that flash in that tunnel. Throw it. Throw it all the way down there. Okay, go, go, go. Go bust in there.
Medic!
Should I use smoke?
Fuck, mate.
Tell me when you use smoke.
You have to roll on it and click.
It's time to rush.
When should I...
Put the scare on them.
Where's bomb?
Still in tunnels. It was on the boxes.
Doubt it.
Where you at, Ian?
Oh! Don't go down that tunnel. Don't. There's a hell hack. 2K14. Right there. No. There's a guy right there. You know, like the little underground part? Go there. Shoot that guy on the underground part. He's right there.
He's in bed.
Turn straight.
Guys,
no,
peek him
right
once.
there, right
Peek
there,
him,
right down
like,
there, right down there.
one at a time.
Other side.
Fuck.
Oh God, still Dingus guy.
Come on, dildo faggins. What is he doing?
How did he win? How did he win? He just sat there doing that.
I can't buy an op.
Yeah, don't worry about it. I can't either. I just bought an AUG instead.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
I like your ricochet skin.
I know. Doesn't it look pretty nice? Let's go. It's not that good of a position.
Still looks really cool. Is that you? Is there people in the tunnel?
There's people up on that camping stuff. Don't go in the middle of that. Go, Zach. You're gonna get shot by a sniper.
That's how I was killing everyone in the first round that we played.
They're all
And then I
in here.
came
over
All
the
in here.
tunnels.
All in here.
I forgot to buy smokes and stuff.
So did I. He's right here. Got him. Dude, did you see them miss all those bullets on me though? Zach, did you just see me out in the open there? Wasn't that hilarious?
Yeah.
Did you just
Why does Dildo Faggins is so retarded? Why is he using a Zeus? Should we kick him?
Well, what?
They go in there, B.
He's just standing there.
Oh my God.
2 of them left. He's gonna die.
I take it, that's it.
Did you just pick up a sniper? But he's not gonna use it because he's an idiot.
I just bought some smokes and stuff. Should I just go in with a pistol?
No, I would go in with a sniper.
I don't have a sniper. I can't get a sniper.
Buy something machine gunny like. Not a pistol. I'm leaving you.
There, I freaking bought an MP7, dude. Oh, I should have bought my Nova.
Should've.
I should have got a check fish.
Two guys in there, two guys in there.
Got him. Got one of them.
Is there any other people in there? Any other people in there?
I don't know. I got one of them with a. I got one of them with a
Another
pistol.
guy there, another guy there, another guy there. He's planting a bomb, he's right there.
Frick! I didn't see him. I didn't see him. He came out of nowhere. You get him?
No, I was gonna get him, but he popped around the corner way too fast. Zach, remember, we have to play this whole game or we're gonna get kicked out and we're not gonna be able to play this game ever again. You know that, right? So you cannot quit on this game or you're gonna get a huge penalty of not being able to play this game for a couple of months. Or days.
Okay, I'm using my Nova. Which way are you going?
No, the way we went before.
Coming towards you. So guard B.
If you want to come with me, that would be nice.
Did you go in the tunnel?
Yeah, I went in the tunnel.
I have a flash and stuff.
I'm in the tunnel. I'm at their spawn right now. See if they have any extra weapons that they bought that's left. They're going A. They're going A. Go to A. They're all going A. They're at A. They're camping A. There's people with AKs looking at A tunnel. Don't go to A tunnel. Just go to A.
Going.
Yeah, just go to A like that. Be careful. There's lots of guys. Everyone's depending on Dildo and you.
Throwing smoke.
Why would you throw? Okay. That's actually a kind of smart idea. Wait, they're at B. They're at B. They're at B.
What?
They're at B, I guess. Is it close to you?
Laying down smoke.
Go to A. It's at A then. It's at A.
Oh my god, dude.
I
I'm
don't know.
defusing the bomb.
What?
Camper.
Alright,
I
maybe you
s-
should just leave the game. Yeah, do that, please.
Do you see the like flying right here? Am I flying?
You threw the smoke wrong.
Am I
You
flying?
missed the
to you,
taser
Zach?
shot. But I like the commitment on the defuse, you know? You gotta go all the way.
We're wasting time.
Zach, I'm up. Like, look up. Zach, why am I floating? Zach, am I floating for you?
Come on.
Zach, am I floating for you?
No.
Dude, I'm like floating. Here, I'll take a screenshot. And I'll show you the video. Like, I'm literally floating. Like, dude, I can see over walls. I literally can see over walls. Oh, I'm on the floor now.
I said I'm sorry. It's my first time playing this game mode.
Deploying decoy.
Dildo faggins, go kill yourself. Where you at, bro?
I'm going to, I went to the B area, like, went to the tunnel. They're all at A. They're at A. They're at A. At A. At A. They're at A. I'm going the way before. They're probably going to kill me, though. Ooh, that's a cool Glock. I'm going to use this Glock water element.
Frick!
It's dude, this guy has 225 kills on his gun. On
Stop
his
looking at
Patrick
me.
Glock. Am I the first person? Am I the... Shut up.
He said, I don't know what to get.
I bought this gun that you see in my hand right now.
P90?
Yeah, I bought the P90.
Move it, move it. Decoy's out.
I just bought my Bison.
They
You go the
always
same way?
for A. Go to A. Go to A. They're always going A. Don't you think?
So did you take a left?
Fire in the hole.
Dude, how'd you not die? Dude, I shot him 3 times with my P90. They're going A, they're going A, dude, they're going A.
I found one dude.
They're at A. No, go to A, knock out. Oh my God.
Frick, dude, I was just at A. There was no one there.
No, there is, dude. They're right. They keep throwing flashes at us. I got
I didn't
2
see
of them, though.
anything.
Dude, I got 2 of them, though. Oh, only one of them. My bad.
Throwing flashbang.
Oh, God. What? What? Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh, that up guy.
Dude. I don't know what to buy.
I'm buying an op if I'm saving up for I'm buying the ricochet, actually.
I can get an op right
Yeah,
now.
let's do this.
Alright, boys, let's step it up. Everyone, team meeting. Get in the middle, hands in.
We're wasting time. Let's go.
On 3, alright? We're gonna win the game, okay? Hey, get out of here. It's not a part of the team. Alright, on 3,
Who did that?
1, 2, 3, team! And before we all get out. See, I like the coordination. We all go B.
This guy's fun. I like this guy. He actually, Frick, who threw that?
Bomb
I do
head.
that.
Alright, this is where we come in like a tidal wave, boys. Crashing down their defenses. Taking apart everything they know.
next to the heat. Oh. Is everybody at A?
Don't slow down for nothing.
Don't slow down for nothing. Don't do it. Keep going. What's this guy's name again? That was kept did the team thing.
Look at that. Yes.
That's how we do, boys. We should all just go in as
Rush
team.
mid with an op.
1, 2, 3,
Alrighty.
team.
Nice. Glad you could get in on it this time.
Go, go, go.
We all gotta charge in. You guys going that way?
Oh, we got it. Hit, man. Are you the one with the op? No, that's somebody.
No, dude, I was sitting there trying to get him and he wasn't dying. I was trying to avenge you. What's this guy doing with his head? He has a face sticker on his scope.
What he does? How did he get that?
He probably bought it for a lot of money. Dude, we should make our own BPD stickers.
How do you make them?
I don't know.
You have to be in a tournament to actually have them made.
We need to go to a tournament. Come on, boys.
We actually would lose the tournament though versus the big guys.
I don't care. At least we would make it. It's not about losing. It's about making it.
And then well, I heard if you make it, you actually get $100,000 or something like that. A lot of money for just making it in there and actually
Clever.
being able to play.
Clever Fellow's actually pretty good. There we go, boys.
Let's go.
Let's go,
We just
boys.
need one more win to catch up.
I bought an op.
Nice, dude.
Okay, Doodle Faggins need to get out of here. I don't like him. He's being mean to me.
Let's go, people. Decoys out.
Go this way. I hate hormones right here.
Frick! I already got hit.
Smoke.
Frick, he got me by jumping.
Are they at their spawn camp shooting?
Mm-hmm. Come on. We're not gonna win this round.
Are you sure?
It's 2 against. Oh, okay, now one's down.
Got him! Now
Come on,
it's 2
Ian.
against 2.
Win it for us, dude. Win it for us. Come on, Ian. Win it for us. Win it for us, dude. Win it for us, dude. Come on. They're probably all talking to each other.
Tell me where he is, Zach. Tell me where he is.
I can't spectate him.
Smoke.
Go on, dude. Win it for us.
Got him!
Yes! Yes! Dude! Yeah! Yes, boys. Oh, that shit.
Let's get this done.
I need to get some kills on my stat track guns. I only can use my deagle. I'm gonna use my AUG here. Cause dude, did you see how many kills I got with that AUG?
I know, I should have used it, but I
Grenade out.
accidentally bought the AUG, and I meant to hit AUG.
Summer team. I think, did one rush at mid behind you guys? No, watch out. No, I think I heard
that was a
footsteps.
deagle
Yep.
shot from a mile away, but he doesn't have.
Dude! Oh my god. Come on, clever fella. Clever fella. Perfect.
Oh, dude! Come on, make it, make it, make it. No, it's just Clella fella.
I unplugged my headphones, guys. I can't hear.
How are you talking then, you idiot?
I don't know.
There, my AUG. Dude, he's using my AUG. What, did I just make a screenshot picture?
I wish we could see. That's a new smoke. He's over there. Come on. I thought I just saw him, but no.
Oh, did you just see that?
Where's he at? He get him?
Go for the bomb. He got it.
Using the bomb.
No, it depends if he can get it. Whoa!
Lemon fuckers.
I got the op.
What? Really? Every time I buy the op, you buy the AUG, and every time I.
Okay,
I'm not
so I
buying-
got the flashbang, smoke grenade, and incendiary.
No, everybody makes fun of me because I don't know how to throw a smoke.
Throwing smoke.
I mean, I did good that one round, and I went to go through that smoke because he said look out in that tunnel, so I threw one, and I got shot.
Down smoke. Throwing flashbang.
They're in there.
Oh, dude, they shot me through the smoke. Grab my op, grab my op. You see my op? Grab it. Right there, throw for it, go for it. Behind us, no. He's throwing a flash.
Flashbang. Deploying flashbang.
There's a guy through that door. Don't go in there. Careful, we're going in there. Yeah, go in there, go in there.
Flashbang.
We're good, go in there. That's how you use a smoke professionally. Dude, he loves my AUG, dude. He's like a beauty.
How many people are left?
2.
What?
Oh,
It was reloading.
bruh, throw that flash! Hit that!
I I hate Doodle Faggins. He's mean to me.
But he's good though. Do you see his picture?
Is
What picture is that? Why?
that a cat? Is that a cat with his balls hanging?
That's not a cat. That's an armadillo guy.
I don't see. Really?
That's one of those like things from the what is it called? Something I forgot.
I don't know.
But
Dude,
now
we're all
it's
tied up.
time. I forgot. There's like 50 rounds, right?
Frick, I don't know what gun to use now. 33.
Use the MP7.
Here's an M4 on the ground if anyone wants it.
Taking
The what? Okay, which way are you going?
Going this way. You see me? You're green to me.
Dude, I actually like this game mode. It's actually really fun.
I bought a decoy.
There's a guy in there,
I thought it was a flash for a minute.
I shot, and he's in there. Should I go in?
He's right out there. He has it off. Don't go in there.
Wait for him to reload. I don't buy any armor. I never buy any armor.
Dude, there's one. They're camping. I got one of them.
Should I go in for it?
There's only those two in that tunnel. Go in that tunnel, Zach. Go in that tunnel and start shooting them. Right there, right at the corner, up above.
What? You said that corner.
I know, he was in that corner when I died, and he was up on top of that corner when I died. Great, dude, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my bro. I'm sorry.
I didn't know what you meant.
I'm sorry.
I haven't bought any armor.
Oh, no, I haven't bought any armor either. But I really don't think we need armor. We're gonna die anyway. If we're gonna die. Pit.
I want to spectate Clever Fellow.
I think Extra is a little bit more into that crap right now. He's deep into that.
Where they at? Can you get? Oh my gosh! Come on.
If I
Thumbs
saw
up.
that, I would flip. Oh! Dude, it says plus me because I shot the one guy. That was the guy.
No, don't use your op. This is bad. God, don't use your op when there's someone like
Dude, they're winning. They're team switching now. Halftime, it's team switch.
I really need.
Now we're terrorists. Now I can actually use my good guns.
Frick! I don't have anything in here except for an R.
Did you know that if
Be safe. Let's go, my friends.
Dude, I just bought a freaking Tech 9. I don't even care anymore. I have nothing good on this except for the R8 revolver and the sand mesh and the op. Frick! I need to go some water.
why won't that guy die? Dude, I just unloaded like a full clip of Eagle guy. And then oh my god. Holy crap! They were all going to my side.
We will drive them from our land. I'm throwing a flashbang.
Oh, frick. All I have is a Glock. So I really need some water. Oh, I got someone's P90. Sand spray. I'm scared. Right there. Someone's in. What? I just got hit from behind.
I am planting the bomb.
Whoa!
Someone's
Dude! Headshot on you and went through you and hit me. That's nice, bro. Oh, we did. I tried. Dude, we're recording. We're recording, Zach. Remember, this is gonna be a 1 hour
It's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while to upload.
Well, that's fine.
It's at least good. It's cool.
Oh my, Zachary.
Wait, then, dude.
Did you
Wait,
see the
dude.
end? Huh.
Did you get my Frick! I have the bomb, dude.
Press G on it with it in your hand, and you can throw it to somebody else. By the way, did you know that? Press G. Here. No, you have to hold it in your hand and press G.
Where you at?
Bro, back up.
I don't want it, dude. I suck at bomb planting.
Fine, hand it to me.
Wait, no, you have a smoke, right? Frick! I threw my gun
No,
again.
I have a decoy.
Decoy.
So if you had a smoke, you could come in behind. That guy just threw a flash. Dude,
That's a fire. I would back away from the fire. Give it to this guy. Here, hand me it. Hand me the bomb. Press G on me.
where you at? Go. Dude, I suck with it. One time I played and they kicked me out of the game because I didn't know how to plant a bomb. I suck at it.
There you go. He
Two are
caught it.
rushing wrong doors. Right now.
Behind us, dude, behind us.
I know, I was shooting at him. Hey, behind us where we just were?
Yeah. No, behind you. Let's keep going that way.
The guy then mid to B.
Oh, we win. Dude. They're winning by 2. Really? Dude, I have a flashbang and a Molotov. What should I do with these?
I don't know, but I don't have the bomb anymore, so someone freaking threw it.
Flashback.
That's ours! Did you just get flashed?
Not a lot.
There's a guy out there. I'm gonna back up away from there. Did you just hear me sing?
Mm-hmm.
Throwing fire.
Who has the bomb now?
I don't have it. Someone of our teammates have it. This guy right here. Kalila fella has it. That guy just tased?
Yep. Bro, did he just get like 5 people at once? It's all up to you now.
Oh, I was gonna try to drop my thing. I was gonna try to...
Well, the BPD clan. Come on, guys, step it up. Let's go.
Yeah, Zach, come on, dude. We need to step this game up.
I got the
We're losing
8K.
to a Smurf. No.
So that we may be free.
Tell them we're a trick shot clan, not a machine gun clan.
I'm throwing smoke. Throwing a flashback.
Is that just you? Oh, that was Dodo fagging. What was he doing? He was like wiping the floor with his face.
Dude,
What?
Alice had a headshot on me with a Star Trek off Asimov. Zach,
Dude,
hold on. I'm gonna do the special camera so I can just walk around. Oh, they don't do that because it's cheating. Oh my god, the blue team has been like kicking our butts now.
Okay. Oh, geez, sorry.
Dude, you hurt him! You literally did damage to him. Don't shoot other people.
Frick. He died.
Oh, get the knife kill, get the knife kill. Oh, dude, he was so close to getting the knife kill on that guy. They're gonna win, dude. They're
Should I say sorry? Should I say sorry, dude?
Yeah. What is that noise?
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm following you.
I'm throwing smoke.
Okay, that's a smoke really good.
I'm throwing flashback.
Where is this guy at?
Flashback. Molotov.
I just randomly shooting.
He's right there.
Yeah, your body.
I hit him.
He hit you too.
He's coming here.
Let me go.
Dude, crouch right here. Crouch right here, Zach.
Ah, dude, I didn't know.
I'll take your AK.
Are you the last one again?
I'm throwing a flashbang.
Where is it?
Oh God, should not have walked out of there.
He had an op. Yeah, he had an op.
Oh, that's fine. I bought
Hey,
a
Ian.
smoke here. Let's go this way.
I got a galley IR.
I have my AK Predator.
We going to B? Frick, you flashed me.
Yeah, but I put a smoke there.
Where are they coming
Oh,
from? Dude, I didn't even see where he was coming from. They're better counter-terrorists than terrorists.
Planting bombs is really hard in this game.
I know, we could have had him if we would have been counter. Oh my god.
I'm gonna get someone's gun. Well,
Ian, they won.
what? We won?
Fuck, dude, I have the bomb again.
Here, Zach, you want my
Go, my
AK?
brothers.
Grab my AK. Don't give it to me, you idiot.
I don't want it. I don't want it.
Who
Give
got
it
your
to one.
bomb? No one. There you go. He has the bomb. Okay, come on. My stat track has 62 on it. My stat track, Khalil. I have my Glock.
Where they all at though?
We're gonna win this round.
One is on ramp. Why are we all watching Cat? Like, I guarantee you they snuck by us. He's just really patient, trust me.
Someone threw smoke stairs.
Dude, I
Did I get him?
I got a guy. My Khalil. We win. They're not gonna be able to get that bomb.
Dude, I got it. I tried to get him in the head.
They're not gonna be able to defuse the bomb in time.
Just did. What? That explosion was huge.
Oh, did you see it? But guess what?
Yeah.
Guess what the little thing looks like? It looks like the decoy explosion, though, when you go up close. Okay, I got flashbang, smoke grenade, and Molotov.
Okay. Let's go. Someone just threw the bomb at someone's face.
Rah! Move!
He gave you the bomb?
Who gave me the bomb? Someone take the bomb. Someone has the bomb now.
I'm throwing smoke. Smoke.
We all rush it in like.
Throwing a flashbang. Flashbang.
There we go.
I'm throwing a flashbang.
Dude, how would you get me with your op like that? You make Dude, I just saw
Jesus,
my gun.
oh my god.
You're still alive, Zach? You have that AK? Do you have my... No, you don't have my AK.
You guys should push up along the wall with AKs. Don't just sit there and let the ops get at you.
Zach,
I don't know where it is.
It's right there. Be careful though, be careful.
Nice.
Here, go there, go for it, go for it.
Oh. Maybe check CT and
Press F,
Snake.
press F, look at it.
I don't want to look at any. Pay
hunt the bomb
attention.
for long, and then one of you can
can't
just
look at it
scout.
real quick. Look
That's
how
what.
many kills I have on it.
Scout
Who has
it
the
out
bomb?
Someone should.
Oh wait, we don't even have the bomb.
No, no one on our team has the bomb.
Top of
The
mid,
bomb's
watch out.
hidden,
Oh wait,
so-
cat.
Dude, the bomb's not even. Oh, the bomb.
Frick him!
Panda,
Oh
what
my
are
god,
you
he got
doing?
me.
I just started spectating. He just watch out.
Oh.
Go out.
Way low.
Panda has the reaction speed of a turtle. Legit. he watched the guy in cat shoot at dragons for like 5 seconds, and then didn't do anything. Guys, it's serious mode.
I'm sorry.
We must move.
I'll go back to my.
Dude, I swear it's my mouse
Why
pad.
don't you have a mouth pad, man?
I got long if they push. Just go cat. Don't believe me, green. Yeah, that works. Go on the side. To your right. Chill in the corner.
Dude, I wish I had the bomb. I'm at
The
A.
corner. Outside the door. Outside. Yeah. If I die, get ready. But don't come out. Stay
Oh
in there.
my god,
Alright, let's
dude,
go.
I wish I
Hold.
had A.
He pushed as I pushed.
Oh,
Wait
I'm
there.
gonna buy a Deagle.
So push through.
Save up for an op. There's a guy in there.
Yes.
Crouch, Zach, you
Yes.
need to crouch.
Green. There you
Remember
go.
crouching?
Reload and then go through long.
Go through there.
Go through long. Go through the doors.
Rip.
Fuck, dude, why just haven't got through there?
No, the guy said that.
The
You
timing
said
of
that. You
was
just told me to go
terrible.
through there.
No, did you not? The
Second
guy
I
said go
pushed,
to
he
the
pushed.
tunnels, so
Just choked
he
and
said
shot.
go to the
But
tunnels.
whatever.
You should go to the tunnels. Go to the tunnels. Because it was like the really good guy, remember? It was like the team thing.
No, dude, you just saw me on Skype.
I'm really late to mid,
No,
but
he
I'm gonna
said it,
peek
and then I
it.
told you
And
to do
yeah.
it.
Take care
That's
of your
why you
pass.
didn't hear him.
Yeah, as soon as I went in, I died.
Well, it's not my fault.
It scared the crap out of me. Here, dude, let's do the plane that he just did.
Got it. Go, go,
You
go,
go behind.
go.
You go behind the box, and I go. I see him. You get him?
No. Got it.
You guys both. Should I go in?
Let's go in. I see him, I know. I see him. I'm gonna go for this op.
Are you retarded? Okay, good. I thought it was like far away.
Got him!
You did?
Yeah, I got him through a wall.
Where's the other guy at? Dude,
I have the guy with the face. He's right back here. He's back here. Got him.
okay. We need him to do that thing again where he made us all get in the huddle up. Because that helped us.
We will defeat
We have
the
like,
Russians.
you know, we have 50 rounds to win, so we have a long.
No, it's 30 rounds.
My bad, 30. No, we still have a long time. Does this feel like 90 minutes to you?
Throwing
It feels like
flashbang.
10, don't you think?
There's two to your right. Just go for it. You got it.
I see him.
Got him. Got the other one.
Hey, see, told you. Alright, that should be all. Push up.
Well,
Do you have
let me
the
throw a
bomb?
flash. Let me throw a flash. Back up.
You like threw it right there.
Push up on the site. Get that bomb down.
You have the bomb, Zach?
No, I don't.
You don't even have a bomb.
Well, you tried.
Alright, we're reporting purple after this game.
I don't know.
Oh, I see it. Someone dropped
He
it.
might just. He has. Okay.
Careful, bro.
Try to, okay, he's in town. Or, I don't know, actually.
Go for it.
He just left the game. And abandoned
Let's
it.
go. Let's go. Let's go.
His axe probably gave up on
Put
him.
it down. Put it down.
Actually, no, he was just.
Right here?
Right here. Right here.
Yeah,
He
let's
was
go.
hacking.
Plant it for long. Why don't you just double scope? Alright, you know what? I ain't gonna
Kitten,
judge
you
you.
need that. Kitten's a pro.
He's a phase member, I can see.
Yeah.
Dude, I got the bomb again. He wants the bomb.
Okay.
Even, man, you're good with it.
Oops. Yeah, give me that.
I shouldn't do this, but whatever. I'm gonna do it.
Oh, fine, I'll take it. No, you have it, Zach. Where are you at?
What?
Take it.
I don't
Follow
want
me.
it.
You need to follow me.
I'm coming. Wait for me. I'm like, running really fast.
Sorry, I really want to get this one, though.
Throwing a flashback.
One went tunnels.
Okay, both right sides. They're lit. Go for it. Push him.
He saw us to push in. Should we
One's
push
rushing
in?
me in T-spawn if you want to come out along real quick back.
You got it.
Frick! Guy right there with an UMP5.
Well, he's live for 72.
Nice shot. He should be like, hey, there he is. Kitten's a
Watch
pro.
out from T. Watch out behind you, Ken. Yeah.
Kitten's a pro with the op. Uno ma.
Dude, I see him. He's coming up. He's right here. Stop, dude, right there. Oh no, that's your own teammate. Oh frick! I thought we were.
I am planting the bomb.
Ninja defuse.
You got the no scope.
Oh,
Dude, I saw him too.
we won anyway. For most eliminations, you don't need to do it. Dude, I have 4 grenades, dude. You can buy 4 grenades.
Go. Let's go.
I have a bunch of money.
I don't have a smoke right now. Dude, so do I, dude. I'm like rich.
Zero crossed? Yeah. No, one just crossed.
Dude, you threw it in the freaking thing.
No,
Someone in? Did you die?
no, I'm right here. Did you hit that? Did you get the guy? Did you get him?
Yeah, I did. Freaking snake, dude. I got him.
Okay, go in.
Dude, stop telling me to go in.
Whenever I tell you to go in, you die, right? Where's he at? Though?
I don't know, dude. He
Oh,
died.
you got me that time.
Dude, I has
The whole team's there.
extra chromosomes. His gun looks so cool.
I
the
know,
pulse.
dude. The pulse looks amazing.
Does he have the
Dude,
bomb?
did you see those 2 rounds I was like boss though? Dude, they said Kitten's a pro with an off. Yeah.
No.
Last round, I always get the bomb, and I don't want the bomb because whenever I get the bomb, it puts all this rush on me, so I can't get it in time.
Do you think chromosomes is going for the kills instead of the bomb?
Yeah. No, the bomb's over here. That's why. Remember, I died over here, and I had the bomb, so he's going for the bomb. Oh, dang it. Oh, look, I got a case. You got a case as well. Look at all these.
I
Was that
can't,
30
dude.
rounds? Dude, was that 30 rounds?
No. How do you know I got a case?
Because it says in the corner. I got a case, you got a case, and this guy got a blue spaces.
I never got a case, dude. It doesn't even take me to like the leaderboard screen
Play
anymore.
another competitive game together. I like this. Want to play another one?
What kind of case is him?
It's Chroma 2.
Chroma 2?
Yeah, not that good though.
Dude, no, that's one of the good cases. That's what, like, when I watched FaZe Rain, he had a karambit out of one.
Okay, you ready for another one?
Yeah. I hate how they were picking on me. I'm like, come on, guys, I'm just a noob. I just started.
Thank you for helping me stay up all night. Are you gonna stay up all night with me?
I don't know.
Please try. Sorry that you have to hear this. Can you hear it? Okay.
Ready.
You ready? Accepted.
Let's roll.
Dude, did you see all those 10 people like instant? Dude, that was hilarious.
Dude, were you recording that, the whole thing?
Oh god, I forgot to end it.
Yeah, dude, you're gonna see my pistol kill
Dude,
chat.
and you guys can see